I was just in a lighter way. Let me add. I was just sharing with one legal student. I was saying that whole community would be through the community app would be given the power of traffic challan. And now all the challans, they are having say penalty 2,000 or more. And if a person, if he presses a button and he captures evidence, he will be getting 1,000 rupees. And government will be getting 1,000 rupees, right? Now let's say that we are talking of the minimum compounding fees. Let's presume that all 130 crore people presses only button once in a day. Do you know how much revenue will be generated? Can you imagine कितनी एनर्जी रेवेन्यू होगा एक बटन दबाने की? 1,30,000 crore. That kind of the revenue would be created for the government for one button. यदि सब लोगों ने 10 बटन दबा दिए, तो it will be 10 times. That will be a mind-boggling revenue which will be coming for the government for its development work. It will be changing the rule of the rules. It will be transforming the way we look at the things. It will be जो है basically making us more rule compliant. And then what we will be doing, we will be, since we are getting a lot of money, so we will be going refining the infrastructure available so that we would be in position to capture those violations which are not presently possible because the infrastructure are not permitting it. जैसे पूरे जगह पे हम जो है ना सफेद लाइन लगा डाल देंगे, हम जो है जहाँ पे आपका चौराहा है वहाँ पर इंटर व्हीकल डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए उस पे हम लाइन डाल देते हैं. The system will immediately capture that whenever you are coming to the shorter distance, right? And it is not only question of the violation of the traffic; it will be saving lot of your petrol, your POL, because then simultaneously all the vehicles they can move. At present, there is a time lag of the 30 seconds to 45 seconds, sometimes even a minute, because everybody is just came so closer. They have to wait the movement of the first vehicle, then they only can move. Now, those kind of the finer things at present is just not even thinkable. We would be transforming the way we think, transform the way we react. It will be transforming this nation